This is a train tracking and travel production. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. We're here at the Sounder station in South Tacoma as a southbound Sounder commuter train is about to pull into the station with an F59 PHI leading a line of Bombardier bi-level coaches. The train also has an older cab car trailing in the rear. Thundering down the Point Defiance Bypass is a southbound Amtrak Cascades train that has left Tacoma Dome Station and is en route to the next stop in Lacey. The train is being led by an NPCU with Amfleet coaches and a Siemens Charger following behind. After the Cascades train had passed the station, another southbound Sounder is about to pull up to the platform to drop off its trainload of evening commuters. Like the last Sounder, it's being led by an F59 PHI. The Sounder has dropped off its passengers and will continue on to the next stop in Lakewood. Amtrak train number 14, the Northbound Coast Starlight train to Seattle, is about to run by the station after waiting for the previous Sounder to clear this section of single-track main line. It will then continue on to its next stop at Tacoma Dome Station. The train is made up of two Siemens Chargers leading a line of Superliner coaches. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.